Louis Schwellenbach has said, every right has its responsibilities. Like the right itself, these responsibilities stem from no man made law, but from the nature of man and society. The security, progress, and welfare of one group is measured finally in the security, progress, and welfare of all of mankind. Greetings to one and all, the parents of all the appointees, Vashisht ma'am, Principal sir, Mosmi Roy ma'am, our senior mistress, house wardens, all my colleagues and dear students. It is a privilege to have you all here on the occasion of the investiture ceremony of the senior wing of DPS Bhilai, a virtual presentation on account of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Before we begin with the ceremony of entrusting our young, ignited minds with power and authority, request Principal Sir. May I request our Principal Sir, our mentor, our guide, and our constant source of motivation and inspiration to please address us on.
Thank you, Priya. On behalf of all the staff members and students, would like to extend a very hearty welcome to all the parents who are present today in this investiture ceremony. Now, even if I desire, I cannot afford to forget Dr. Mrs. Bindu Mukon, who is no more with us. She was the one who used to initiate this process of inducting students into this council. Year after year, she has done this work. So, on behalf of everyone, I would like to thank her for wherever she is now. Now, when this pandemic started, no one must have thought that it's going to last so long. But we were very aware, we were very clear right from the beginning that we will not deprive our students of this opportunity for getting inducted into the Students' Council. Now, when we talk about Student Council, we can say the composition, attitude, and behavior of the Students' Council of an educational institution as a collective is an indicator of the ethos and spirit that prevails on the campus. Taking oath as a member of the Students' Council puts you in an immediate position of not only importance, limelight, and power, but also a position of responsibility. So, dear members of the Students' Council 2020-21, congratulations on displaying such exemplary attributes and being trusted to carry forward your institution through a difficult year. It is said that leadership is not about title or a designation, it is about impact, influence, and inspiration. So, authority, if it flows from your responsible behavior, from the examples you set, is real, else it is an illusion. If you want to succeed, conviction, integrity, and compassion should define you. Another important area where you will be put to test is how much you balance your studies and responsibilities. I am sure the way you have been carrying out your duties in the past, you will be able to handle the responsibilities which we are giving to you in future also very well. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations to all of you on being inducted into the Students' Council of DPS Bhilai. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of advice to our newly appointed prefectorial body. We move further with the program. May I now request the House appointees to please exit the meeting room. Thank you all. The program schedule is as follows. We shall begin by pinning the shoulder badges to the school appointees, first by the parents, which will indeed be a proud moment for all of us. This will be followed by the oath taking ceremony for the school appointees, and then we shall have the pinning of the badge for the house appointees and the oath taking ceremony for them in the order Chenab, Ganges, Jhelum, Kaveri, Narmada, and Yamuna. May I now request the parents to please pin the shoulder badges for their children, the school appointees. First, we will begin with pinning the badge of boy Ilansh Kabra. I repeat, we will begin with pinning of the badges for the students, beginning with the head boy, that is Nilansh Kabra, followed by the head girl, Varnita Singhal. Then we have the senior vice head boy, Anmol Jain. The senior vice head girls, Shivangi Goel and Ajuni Broka. The junior vice head boy, Mohnish Malik. The junior vice head girl, JV Shreya. Our cultural secretaries, Arnab Das and Kritika Vaidya. The cultural Prabhas Pandey and Siddhi Chobe. The sports secretaries, Anant Prasad and AV Ayush. The sports secretaries, Reema Chaudhary and Anusha Chabra. The sports prefects, Aaron Maxwell Danny and Aditi Gupta. A big thank you to all the parents who are here with us today on this special occasion for today's ceremony, and congratulations to all the appointees. We will now continue with the oath taking by the school appointees, for which I request them to unmute themselves. I further request Nitin sir to do the honors, and I request Principal sir to administer the oath. Sir, please.
I,
Nilansh Kabra, head boy.
Varnata Singhal, head girl.
Anmol Jain, senior vice head boy.
Pangi Goyal, senior vice head girl.
Ajuni Brokar, senior vice head girl.
Mohanish Malik, junior vice head boy.
Devi Shreya, junior vice head girl.
Arnab Das, cultural secretary.
Kritika Vedri, cultural secretary.
Prabhas Pandey, cultural prefect.
Chaube, cultural prefect.
Anand Prasad, sports secretary.
PV Ayush, sports secretary.
Reema Chaudhary, sports secretary.
Anusha Chhabra, sports secretary.
Aaron Maxwell Danny, sports prefect.
Aditi Gupta, sports prefect.
do hereby solemnly pledge
Do hereby
Hereby solemnly pledge
that I shall work
that I shall work
that I shall work
for the best interest of my school
for the best interest of
best
my
interest
school
of my school
and carry out my duties
And
carry out my
carry out
duties
my duties
with full devotion and dedication
with full devotion
full
and dedication
dedication and dedication
and uphold the honor
and uphold the honor
uphold the honor
of the school.
of the school.
Thank you very much, all of you. I now request the school appointees to exit the meeting room and further request the Chenab House appointees and the House Warden, Mrs. Rani Reena Jain, to enter the meeting room. Further, I request Arnab Das, the Cultural Secretary, to conduct the rest of the proceedings. Over to you, Arnab.
Thank you so much, Priya ma'am. So we move forward with the first house, which is Chenab House. For the session 2019-20, Chenab House received the Best in Sports Award. Chenabites also bagged the Principal's Award for 2 years consecutively. It has nurtured young talents like B. Shrijan, who was presented with the Best Athlete Award. The plethora of Chenabites have showcased their talents in diverse fields, and it's their belief that they'll continue to do so. I request the parents to pin the shoulder badges to the newly appointed members of the prefectorial bodies. In Chenab House, we have with us House Captain Adishesh Dhanang, Gurnesh, Senior House Prefect Madhi Aditya, Abhay Chandravanshi, Dipanvita Chakraborty, Kaushiki Keshri, Junior House Prefect Kshitij Phatak, Aishwarya Dwivedi, and Kinjal Kochal. We express our gratitude to all the parents for sparing their invaluable time with us on this momentous occasion. Now, I request the House Warden of Chenab House, Mrs. Rani Reena Jain, to please administer the oath to the appointees. I request the House appointees to kindly unmute themselves. Further, I request Nitin Nair sir to do the honors. Please, sir.
I,
Adishesh Dhanang, house captain.
Gurnesh, house captain.
Madhya Aditya, senior house prefect.
Dipanvita Chakravarti, senior house prefect.
Kaushiki Keshri, senior house prefect.
Kshitij Phatak, junior house prefect.
Aishwarya Dwivedi, junior house prefect.
Kinjal Kochal, junior house prefect.
Do hereby solemnly pledge
do hereby solemnly
pledge
that I shall work
that
I shall work
for the best interest of Chenab House
for the best interest of
Interest of Chenab House
with devotion and dedication,
with devotion and dedication,
and dedication,
and uphold the honor of
and uphold the honor of
my house and the school.
my house
and the school.
Thank you, Rani ma'am. Thank you, Nitin sir. Thank you, everyone. I request Chenab House appointees to kindly leave the meeting room and further request Ganges House appointees to enter the meeting room. Further, in the queue, we have Ganges House. Ganges House has brought glory, fame, and rewards. It has shown its mettle in terms of academics, co-curricular activities, and sports and games. Ganges House has the distinction of being awarded with the Best House Award in academics and co-curricular activities for 3 consecutive years, that is, session 2015-16, 2016-17, 2017-18. Also, the Best House for March Past in 2015-16. We begin further by requesting the parents to kindly pin the shoulder badges to the Ganges House appointees. In Ganges House, we have with us House Captain Sarvagya Chandrakar, Toshi Madhyani, Ishita Jain, Senior House Prefect Ayush Chandak, Shivam Agrawal, Isha Agrawal, Subhalakshmi Behra, Junior House Prefect Advait Malik, Nipun Jain, Prathna Tiwari, and Shalmali Dubey. We express our gratitude to all the parents for sparing their valuable time with us on this auspicious occasion. I request the House Warden of Ganges House, Mrs. Sheila Samuel, to please administer the oath to the appointees. I request the House appointees to kindly unmute themselves. Further, I request Nitin Nair sir to do the honors.
I,
Sarvagya Chandrakar, House Captain.
Toshi Madhyani, House Captain.
Ishita Jain, House Captain.
Chandak, Senior House Prefect.
Shivam Agrawal, Senior House Prefect.
Isha Agarwal, Senior House Prefect.
Subhalakshmi Behra, Senior House Prefect.
Advait Malik, Junior House Prefect.
Nipun Jain, Junior House Prefect.
Prathna Tiwari, Junior House Prefect.
Shalmali Dubey, Junior House Prefect.
do hereby solemnly pledge
Solemnly pledge
that I shall work
that I shall work
for the best interest of Ganges House
For the best interest of Ganges House.
with devotion and dedication,
With devotion and dedication.
and uphold the honor
And uphold the honor
of my house and the school.
of my house
and the school.
House and school.
Thank you so much, Sheila ma'am. Thank you so much, Nitin sir. I request Ganges House appointees to kindly leave the meeting room and further request Jhelum House appointees to join the meeting. Now, we move forward with Jhelum House. Dynamic, exuberant, and enthusiastic, Jhelamites believe in nothing but excellence and strive strenuously to achieve their goals. They have put up superlative performances in academics, sports, dance, drama, and music, bringing laurels to their house and school. Jhelum House had the proud privilege to be adjudged the overall best house and the first in March past for the session 2018-19. May I humbly request the parents to pin the shoulder badges to the appointees of Jhelum House. In Jhelum House, we have with us House Captain Bhavani Shankar Das, Astha Jain, Senior House Prefect Kushal Bansal, Sakshi Agrawal, Jaspreet Kaur, Junior House Prefect Om Agrawal, Akshat Singh Kshatriya, Deepti Verma, Kanika Saraf, and Niali Kar. We express our gratitude to all the parents for sparing their invaluable time with us on this special occasion. Now, I request the House Warden of Jhelum House, Mr. D.K. Chaudhary, to please administer the oath to the appointees. I request the Jhelum House appointees to kindly unmute themselves. Further, I request Nitin Nair sir to do the honors. Please, sir.
I, Bhavani Shankar Das, House Captain.
Astha Jain, House Captain.
Senior House Prefect.
Sakshi Agrawal, Senior House Prefect.
Jaspreet Kaur, Senior House Prefect.
Om Agrawal, Junior House Prefect.
Akshat Singh Kshatriya, Junior House Prefect.
Niali Kar, Junior House Prefect.
Kanika Saraf, Junior House Prefect.
Deepti Verma, Junior House Prefect.
Do hereby solemnly pledge that I shall work for the best interest of Jhelum House with devotion and dedication, and uphold the honor of my house and the school.
Thank you, Chaudhary sir. Thank you, Nitin sir. Thank you, everyone. I request Jhelum House appointees to leave the meeting room and further request Kaveri House appointees to enter the meeting room. Now, I request Krutika Vaidya to conduct the proceedings further. Over to you, Krutika.
Thank you, Arnab. Kaveri House has been distinguishing itself by its phenomenal performances in the diverse fields of music, dance, and sports from the past several years. Kaveri House procured the Best House Trophy for the year 2019-2020 for its overall superlative performance in the field of both academics and co-curriculars. Pratna Bhattacharya of class 12L has been consecutively winning the Best Athlete Trophy from the past 2 years. Kaverians have always put their best foot forward to showcase their talents and bring glory to the house and the school. Now that we have all the Kaverians with us, I request parents of the prefects to please pin the shoulder badges. From Kaveri House, we have with us house captains Aditya Deshmukh and Ishita Kundu, senior house prefects Keshavam Sharma, Mehak Jain, Arushi Jain, junior house prefects Krishna Chaurendra, Vikrant Tiwari, Darshika Sippy, and Lakshita Chandrakar. We express our gratitude to all the parents for sparing their invaluable time for being with us on this momentous occasion. I now request House Warden of Kaveri House to please administer the oath to the prefects. I request appointees to please unmute themselves, and further, I request Nitin sir to do the honors. Please, sir.
I,
Aditya Deshmukh, House Captain.
Chita Kundu, House Captain.
Keshavam Sharma, Senior House Prefect.
Mehak Jain, Senior House Prefect.
Arushi Jain, Senior House Prefect.
Krishna Chaurendra, Junior House Prefect.
Vikrant Tiwari, Junior House Prefect.
Lakshita Chandrakar, Junior House Prefect.
Darshika Sippy, Junior House Prefect.
do hereby solemnly pledge
Do hereby solemnly pledge
that I shall work
that I shall
work
for the best interest of Kaveri House
for
for the best interest of Kaveri House
with devotion and dedication,
with devotion
and dedication,
and uphold the honor
and uphold the honor
of my house and the school.
Of my
of my
house.
house, my school.
Thank you, everyone. May I now request Kaveri House appointees to please exit the meeting room, and I request Narmada House prefects to enter the same. Narmada House has been bestowed with the Best in Sports trophy for 2 consecutive years and have also left a mark amongst everyone with their astounding performances in the diverse fields of music, dance, and drama. The house is proud to have students like Himanshu Dubey and Prakhar Sharma, who have received the Best Athlete awards. AV Ayush represented school at national level in shot put and discus throw. In the 35th Annual Sports Day, they received the title for being the best house in March past. Now that we have all the Narmada House appointees with us, I request humbly the parents of all the prefects to please pin the shoulder badges. From Narmada House, we have with us House Captains Govind Purohit and Prapti Singh. Senior House Prefects Swapnil Agarwal, Animesh Singh, Yashuparna Kanishtha Sahu, Jigyasa Agarwal. As Junior House Prefects, we have Neeraj Netam, Vedansh Tripathi, Anushka Sisodia, and Tanishka Borkar. We express our gratitude to all the parents for sparing their valuable time for being with us on this auspicious occasion. I now request House Warden of Narmada House, Mrs. Yogita Silvaraj, to kindly administer the oath to the appointees. Further, I request Nitin sir to do the honors. Please, sir. I also request all the Narmada House appointees to please unmute themselves.
I,
Govind Purohit, House Captain.
Prapti Singh, House Captain.
Swapnil Agrawal, Senior House Prefect.
Yashuparna Sahu, Senior House Prefect.
Neeraj Natam, Junior House Prefect.
Vedansh Tripathi, Junior House Prefect.
Anushka Sisodia, Junior House Prefect.
Tanishka Borkar, Junior House Prefect. Do hereby solemnly pledge.
Do
hereby solemnly pledge. That I shall work.
That I shall
work
For the best interest of Narmada House.
For the best
interest of Narmada House.
for the best interest of Narmada House
With devotion and dedication.
with devotion and
devotion and dedication
And uphold the honor.
and uphold the honor
Of my house and the school.
of my house
and the school.
of my house and the school.
Thank you, everyone. May I now request Narmada House appointees to please exit the meeting room, and I kindly request Yamuna House prefects to join the same. For the session 2019-2020, Yamuna House was the runner-up for March past. Yamuna House students also represented Chhattisgarh in a national level dance competition and won the gold medal. It has great talent like Anant Pandey, who represented school in DPS swimming meet and won 6 medals for the school. Yamunites have always done their best in all the activities for the school. I now request all the parents of prefects to please pin the shoulder badges. From Yamuna House, we have with us House Captain Yash Agarwal, Janvi Podar, and Shreya Suresh. As Senior House Prefects, we have Rupak Singhania, K. Jonatha Sravni, Nrippy Pipersania. As Junior House Prefects, we have K. S. Swadhin, Mahima Singhal, and Pranati Jain. We express our gratitude to all the parents for sparing their valuable time for being with us on this momentous occasion. I now request House Warden of Yamuna House, Devesh Chaudhary sir, to please administer oath to the appointees. Further, I request appointees to please unmute themselves, and I request Nitin sir to do the honors. Please, sir.
I,
Yash Agrawal, House Captain.
Shreya Suresh, House Captain.
Rupak Singh, Senior House Prefect.
K. Jonatha, Senior House Prefect.
Nrippy Pipersania, Senior House Prefect.
K. Swadhin, Junior House Prefect.
Mahima Singhal, Junior House Prefect.
Pranati Jain, Junior House Prefect.
do hereby
Do hereby
solemnly pledge that
Solemnly
pledge that
I shall work
I shall work
I shall work
for the best interest of Yamuna House
for the best
for the best interest of Yamuna
House.
with devotion and dedication
with devotion
And dedication.
and uphold the honor
and uphold the honor
Uphold the honor
of my house and the school.
of my
in the school.
Thank you, everyone. May I now humbly request all the other appointments to please join the meeting room. Further, I hand over all of you to Priya ma'am for further continuation of the program.
Thank you, Krutika. It is time now to hear what our young leaders have to share with us regarding their appointments and their plans for the academic session 2021. May I request Nilansh Kabra, our newly appointed head boy, to express his feelings today. Please, Nilansh.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Nilansh Kabra, head boy of the 2020-21 iconic batch. I would like to express my immense gratitude and respect to our dearest principal sir, Senior Mistress Maushmi Roy ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends for supporting me throughout this journey to become the head boy. And this job is not possible alone. And consequently, I must thank a massive team, my student council. You have been solid and inspirational, strong where I was weak, and an amazing source of support. I treasure the connection I have had with each and every one of you, and it means more to me than you will ever know. I must acknowledge the sturdy leadership, support, and guidance I've received from my teachers through this year. It has been at the core of how I have conducted myself, and at times I would have been very lost without your support. You all have taught me much, and I will carry it with me through life. Thank you for the opportunity you have given me. I hope I do you proud. Sadly, this has been an unexpected year, but still, here we are now, accepting each difficulty gracefully and standing tall through it. We have worked hard to get to this point, and we haven't done it alone. To our teachers, thank you for sharing your talent and knowledge. What you did for us often went beyond the call of duty. You took the time to explain assignments when you could have chosen not to. You put in effort to make those lessons seem so interesting so that we wouldn't just tune out. You demanded excellence from us at each moment, and that has carved us into the individuals we are today. Thank you. Jim Rohn said, "Let others lead small lives, but not you. Let others argue over small things, but not you. Let others cry over small hurts, but not you. Let others leave their future in someone else's hands, but not you." And of course, doing this will mean that at some point of time, we may face our fear of falling short. Being the head boy means facing these fears almost daily. But none of us get out of life alive. So be gallant, be gracious, be great, and be grateful for the opportunities that you have. The opportunity to learn from those that have walked before you and those that walk besides you. I sincerely hope that we will carry on a proud legacy. I wish you the very best in your journey, and thank you all for being part of mine. I hope we give our best in whatever we do and make our school and our community proud. Strive for excellence, my friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nilansh. May God bless you and may He give you the strength and wisdom to carry out your duties with sincerity and diligence. May I now humbly request our senior mistress, Mrs. Maushmi Roy, to please address us on this momentous occasion. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Priya. Good evening, all of you. The price of greatness is responsibility. Churchill. Respected Principal Sir, dear colleagues, parents, and all the new appointed members of the Students' Council of the Senior Wing. At the outset, my sincere congratulations to all the appointees who have labored hard and long to reach where they have today. They must be feeling very happy and honored by the accolades they have achieved. I would just like them to remember that they are now role models for their peers and juniors, and all their actions should be worthy of being emulated. The school prefectorial body is the center of attraction and appreciation today. Hence, my first words of greeting are for them. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Principal Sir for his guidance and counsel in making today's virtual reality a reality. Without his positive ideas and attitude of yes, you can do it, we would not be able to scale the heights we have. Thank you, sir, for always being our beacon of light. My heartfelt thanks to Madam Renu Vashisht for joining us today evening. My sincere gratitude also goes to the parents of our students for their unstinting cooperation and support. All my colleagues, especially the house wardens, Mrs. Rani Reena Jain, Mrs. Sheila Samuel, Mr. D.K. Chaudhary, Mr. Rupesh Ray, Mrs. Yogita Selvaraj, Mr. Devesh Kumar, are deserving of my gratitude. Mr. A. Junjani, Mr. B.L. Suthar, Mr. A.K. Jangir, all of them stood like rocks. With the entire team working for the ceremony, deserve my special thanks. Finally, my sincere gratitude to everyone, including the unseen hands behind the scenes who helped in making the program successful. Thank you.
We now move on to the last part of today evening's program, and that is our head girl's words of her feelings, what she would like to share with us. Over to you, Varnita, our newly appointed head girl.
Thank you, ma'am. Greetings to all. On this occasion of investiture ceremony, I express my gratitude to my mentors, that is Principal Sir, Mr. Prashant Vashisht, Senior Mistress Ma'am, Mrs. Moshmi Roy, and teachers for showing immense faith in me. As I pledge to fulfill my duties as the head girl of Delhi Public School Bhilai, I commit to working with students across all age groups and put in my best efforts to ensure that the flag of DPS Bhilai flies high. Being the head girl requires a lot of sacrifices, hard work, and tolerance. Jack Welch rightly said, when you are made a leader, you are not given a crown. You are given the responsibility to bring out the best in others. I seek the support and cooperation of the Student Council in making this academic session a fruitful one. The Student Council is a great platform to hone my leadership skills. Together, we'll create an atmosphere of harmony and inspire each other to enhance our knowledge, understanding, and skills to scale greater heights. I will strive to execute my responsibility with equity. I shall represent the school to the best of my abilities. To conclude, as the head girl of the school, I would commit to broadening the avenues for experiences and learning for each one of us. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Varnita. May God bless you and guide you to excel in all that you choose to do. With this, we move towards the end of today's program. Thank you, one and all, for joining us today.